Froggy Flips custom vans. Not sold in stores.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app. What is up, everybody? Welcome back. My name is Anthony. So today's Friday, and we wanted to hit a bunch of yard sales or garage sales, and we kind of got rained out. We did hit one, and we found a few things. I'll show that to you. It actually kind of worked out okay because, as some of you probably know, Sarah, my wife, has MS, and she is actually going through a pretty aggressive MS attack right now, and she's getting overheated easily, among many other symptoms. But she was starting to get overheated, so it was good that we just kind of called it a day early. Tomorrow she actually starts a pretty aggressive bout of steroids, so hopefully that will take care of the attack as much as it possibly can, but it's kind of scary. I'm just going to kind of keep this video random now, because normally it would just be a garage sale video, but that's not going to happen. So let me show you what we did pick up real fast. This was from one sale, I think, maybe two sales, because they were across the street from each other. Sarah actually spotted these. They were marked at $1 each. They're these little Studio 71 paint knife kits. They wanted $1 a piece for them, and there's 16 in there. And then I found this little USPS Monster Stamps pencil set from like 1997. It was marked at 50 cents. I offered them 12 bucks for everything, but they were pretty attached to these, so they came back at 15 for everything, so I just took it. These sell for about 10 bucks on Amazon, so I'm not sure if the best method is going to be just try to send these in FBA and maybe try to land the buy box at a little bit more, because now they're only being sold by merchants. So that might be one option. The other option would be just to maybe sell them in lots or something. I don't know exactly. And these pencils, not worth a whole lot, but I thought they were pretty cool, especially since they're new old stock and they're USPS brand, which is kind of weird. Sarah also found this old newspaper clipping here. It says, "Anarchists should be treated as traitors," says prominent men throughout the country. She just thought it was pretty cool. I thought it was pretty cool too. They wanted $3. I just paid it. I don't know if it's worth anything or if we'll even try to sell it. It might just go up on the wall over on Sarah's side. We'll see. Pretty neat though. And then at the sale across the street, this little Orbitron Pro gas trimmer head. They wanted 3. I paid 2. I think it's worth about 20. No huge money makers, and just a little short day of garage sailing. So while we were gone, I did get a couple more sales in. And since I have to go pick up Sarah's prescriptions here in a little bit, I thought I might as well just go ahead and pull these 2 orders and get those shipped out, since it's right down the street from the post office. So that's what we'll do. I'll show you what sold real fast. A couple things from yard sales of yesteryear pickup, within the last couple weeks. This Fight Night game, I thought it was gonna be worth a little bit more, but it ended up selling for 22 bucks plus shipping, and I paid $2 for it. This was pretty decent right here, this little radar detector. Like I said in my previous video when I found it, it's not in the best condition, but it's okay. I paid, I think, $4 for this, and it sold for $150 plus shipping. They can go upwards of over $200, but I wanted to price aggressively because of the button wear and everything. Still, at that price, it didn't sell right away. It took a few days, but I'm pretty happy turning $4 into $150. It's not bad at all. I'm gonna go ahead and get these shipped out. I'm gonna use a poly mailer for the game, and I'm going to use this little USPS box for the radar detector. So that's what I'm looking at. I'm gonna go ahead and pack these up. And also, one of the reasons I wanted to make sure I got a video out today is because I want to do the drawing for the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. We're actually getting dangerously close to 4,000 subscribers now, and I've not even done the drawing yet, so that's gonna happen in this video. So make sure you stick around, especially if you commented on the giveaway video. I don't think we're gonna do a giveaway for 4,000, but still make sure you hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, because we'll try to do something really fun at 5,000. It's kind of the working plan. All right, let me go ahead and get these shipped out, and we'll see what happens next. I don't really know yet. Hey, Sarah Bear.
Hi.
How you feeling?
Okay. What?
You're so cute. So Sarah had an MRI last Monday. She has lots and lots of brain lesions. Right, Sarah?
Yeah.
Bad news.
Bad news.
But the steroids start tomorrow.
Yep.
And you're gonna feel all better soon.
Yep.
And you're keeping busy.
If I can.
If you can.
Ouch.
Just little bits at a time. She's actually working on something for me right now, which she offered. I didn't ask you to.
Right.
Right. You just wanted to do this.
Right.
Oh, look, it's Elliot over there. So Sarah ordered me some new kicks a couple weeks ago to upgrade my current, what are they, Spicoli vans?
Yeah.
Spicoli, just different colors. I think I've worn them once, but she wanted to customize them, so she's putting some logos on them. There's the There's the old Froggy Flips beard and glasses. And then this side's gonna have
The Froggy Flips.
that spell out. It's gonna look pretty sick. So thank you for doing that, Sarah.
You're welcome.
But if you get too hot, you gotta go inside and lay down.
I know. Well, I can't.
Or sit down.
Yeah.
I can't wait till tomorrow.
Me too.
Can't wait for you to feel better.
Me too.
She's also working on a surprise cup for a fellow YouTuber that she likes a lot. This person doesn't know that they're getting a cup yet, so I can't show you the top of it because it has their name on it and their channel name. But it's very beautiful, Sarah. It looks like the ocean. It looks like the world. Is it done?
No, but I think I made your face crooked.
But I mean, it's already ironed on.
Yeah.
I think crooked's okay.
And
Hey, it's the only pair in the whole world, so who knows what it's supposed to look like.
well,
Right?
it was my vision.
Yeah.
That's not what I saw in my vision.
Well, brain lesions make vision crooked,
There we go.
right?
Wait, I might be able to get it off.
Oh, Elliot's here again. I still think it's cool.
No, I'm taking it off.
Taking it off?
Sweet.
It's not even broken.
Well, yeah, it is.
Yeah. So you
But I
have to do
can
another
fix
one?
it.
Okay. Sometimes when Sarah's working, hey, where's that scraper thing?
Scraper.
Yes,
What?
I wanna
Oh, yeah.
I want to scrape off epoxy. Epoxy goes everywhere when she's making cups. So sometimes it's super satisfying just to scrape it off here. I'm just gonna make one of those.
Where's Sissy?
Oh,
Did you shut the door?
I'll go check on her. It's like a scab. Oh. Alright, well that's all I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so I got these packages done. So I'm gonna go to the post office. I probably don't have a whole lot more for you, but when I get back, I'll do the giveaway drawing and I'll probably bid you adieu. Okay, talk soon. Alright, Sarah, I'm gonna do the giveaway drawing. Who do you think's gonna win?
Me.
You. Okay, so we got the video here. Go ahead and copy the address. Pop it in the old random comment picker. Paste. Filter duplicate users. I didn't have you say anything specific. So let's go ahead and get the comments. How many do we have? There's 206 unique commenters.
I don't even have that many subscribers.
Yeah, you should all subscribe to Mrs. Froggy Flips. Link in description. Okay, start. Let's see. Who's it gonna be? Ronnie Lee. Thanks for all the videos. Short and sweet. Simple. I like it. Ronnie, congratulations. Go ahead and send me an email, froggyflips81@gmail.com. Send me your address, and I will get this large flat rate box of mystery inventory, a Froggy Flips hat, and a yellow IKEA bag. I'll get it sent out to you probably Monday. So Ronnie Lee, congratulations. Thank you all for playing, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, because 5,000 is probably around the corner. And we'll try to do something fun for 5,000, Sarah. Okay?
Okay.
I'll know what it'll be. You have any ideas?
Well, those totes are fun to make.
Totes are fun. Yeah, we'll see. We'll put something.
Maybe a new cup.
Yeah, maybe. We'll put something fun together, right?
Yeah.
We got some time to think about it. Shoot, 5,000 could be a year from now. I don't know. Oh, look how cool that looks.
It's not done.
It looks good though. All right. Well, I'll be enjoying my new kicks soon. I'm sure you'll see them on a future video. Or should I wait to sign out until they're done? I will. I'll put them on, and that's how I'll sign out.
Okay.
Okay. Be back with you in 3, 2, 1. Froggy Flips custom vans. Not sold in stores. Pretty awesome. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Love you.
I love you.
Alright guys, that'll do it for today. If you're the praying type, please send your prayers over to Sarah for the next few days, because it's going to be,
And to Anthony, because he's going to have to deal with me.
I mean, she's been on steroids before, but this is going to be a pretty big dose, and I'm sure she'll feel all better, but all the thoughts and prayers would definitely help. So whatever you do, just, think about her, and thank you so much. So that's what we got for you today. As always, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. Babe, say love you, bye.
Love you. Bye.
When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.